Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm glad you're back. That means that you are liking my videos. So let's go ahead and continue. Let's go ahead and make or go over more and more commands. I want to keep it to more of, I'm going to make videos um, on more of basic commands. For this video, it's going to be more basics. And then I'm just going to split for the other commands. I'm going to make a separate video for each command, so that way we can give more examples, and that way people learn it, and just you will learn it better if I dedicate a good command that we're going to be using a lot. If I dedicate more time to it, you guys are going to learn it and remember more. So one of the basic commands that I want you guys to know is the uname. The uname command will display the current system's information, and we can view the system information about our Linux environment with the uname command in any Linux. So let's go ahead and say uname. You say right here Linux, and now if you do a uname -a command right with this option, we can learn more about our system, including the kernel name, node name, kernel release, kernel version, and a lot more. There we go. You can see it right there. So the uname. So whenever, if you are basically doing like a pen test on a Linux machine and you are able to get into that machine, one of the first commands that I usually run is a uname -a, just to see what the machine is and how I'm going to, because it's going to help me on how I'm going to be attacking that, how I'm going to be attacking that machine. That's why I do that. Let's go ahead and see what else do we have. Another one. Let's go ahead and do uptime. So is it uptime? Uptime. So for uptime, if you press enter, uptime command displays the amount of time the system has been running. And uptime is just a basic usage, and it's really simple. So uptime is basically, it would tell you how long this machine has been on, what it is. If you do an uptime and with the option -p, this one will give you, a human readable format, right? Instead of giving you all these numbers, so you tell you there you go. It's been up for 19 minutes, right? That's all you need to know. You don't need to go ahead and try to decipher what's going on in here, right? All right, let's go ahead and see what's the other command that we want to use. I think we want to use users. If you also use users, you can see basically the users that are, this one displays the login name of the user who's logged in onto the system, right? Which is Kali. Of course, it's me, right? It's the man, the legend, right? Let's see what other command that I want to do. I guess I want to do the history. There's a good one. So history, press enter. So history will display, I don't know how many commands, I don't know how long it goes for, but this one would display the history command. So all the commands that we have run, look at them all the way over here, right? So we have ran so far 48 different commands, which is, it's really cool if you think about it, right? So here is my history. If you run history again, it will show history. It's not showing history at the end. Oh, come on. I think we have history in there. Oh yeah, you can see over here we have ran 48 different commands. And like I said before, we also went into the PWD before, right? If we do a PWD, it is actually called, I forgot, I said print directory. It is print working directory. So the PWD, print working directory, like I said, it gives you the information about the directory that we are on. And this is useful sometimes, if you want to if you just want to load a file, right, or like an HTTP server, and you want to see where it's at, and you know, all that stuff in the folder where you want to point. And yeah, it's really helpful to run this print working directory, guys. Why didn't you guys tell me on the last video? It is print working directory. So let's see what else can we do over here. I think this will be it for now, because I want to dedicate, like I said, specific videos for just a specific, for each command. That way I can give more examples and you guys can learn more, right? So yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like always, just keep watching. I know it's gonna be just basics right now, but if you want to just skip the basic section and just go straight to the fire, go ahead and do that, guys. But thank you for watching. Bye bye.